Hi everyone, I am Dr. Jenkins, and this is a quick introduction video for the online nutrition class. So I wanted to record a quick video just so you could meet me, hi, and also to point out some things that are going to be important for you. All right, so first of all, this online nutrition class can be completed 100% online, okay? So you don't need to come to campus for anything. It is set up so that you can watch videos on your own timeline. You can complete assignments on your own timeline. There are due dates, but we're not meeting at a certain time. So it's not like we're meeting every Monday, Wednesday. It's all online. Each week, you can do it at your own pace. That being said, students who are most successful are ones that set time aside. Even though it's an online class, it can be so helpful to look at your schedule and find what time you have, and then purposely put it in your schedule. I'm going to work on online nutrition Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 to 6 p.m., whatever it might be. If you don't, what's going to happen is you get busy, you're working, you're doing other things, and all of a sudden everything's due and you have to get through the material. So plan ahead. All right. Everything you need is on Brightspace. That's the online learning platform that we use at Hudson Valley Community College. I want to draw your attention to the syllabus. Now, I know I'm older, and back in the day, we used to print things out, whatever. But can I please ask, print this out? I know everything's digital now, but if you print this out, you have everything you need. Any question you have about how the course is set up is here. Grading. Grading is included, but what I want to draw your attention to is the semester schedule. This outlines for every week what we're covering and what's due. You will see that I'm very organized, so there's no reason to have any questions because you're going to know, because you're going to print this out. This week, here are the dates. We're covering this material, and these are the things that's due. 90% of the questions that I get are about the schedule. Print this out. Put it by your desk. Put it in front of your folder. That way you have it, okay? What you're going to see is every week, we tend to cover one chapter of information. There's going to be a lecture video posted. There's going to be access to the PowerPoint that I use, a set of chapter outlines, and study questions. You'll see in the course syllabus, it says, watch the videos, because then you'll know exactly what to focus on. You'll see sometimes there's material that I talk about, but it's not going to be on a test. So watch the video, take notes, study, study, study. Each week, the same things are due at the same time. Each week, you'll have a discussion board post due Thursday by midnight, and then a critical thinking worksheet and an online quiz due Sunday by midnight. Every week, one chapter, and then 3 things are due. The discussion board is due Thursday at midnight. Critical thinking and quiz are due Sunday at midnight, okay? I do not take late assignments. Even if they're 1 minute late, I don't take it. This means you need to plan ahead. Okay, I do my best to check my emails. You'll see I get back to you almost always within 24 hours. However, being that some of the things are due Sunday at midnight, I do have somewhat of a life, not much, but a little bit. I do my best to check emails on weekends, but I'm not always able to, especially right up to the last minute. If someone emails me Sunday night at 8 o'clock, haven't heard from them all week, something came up, they have a question, Sunday, 8 o'clock, it's unlikely I'm going to check my email before the midnight deadline. So you need to plan ahead. That way, if you have questions, that way, if there's a technical problem, your computer might freeze. There might be a thunderstorm and you lose access to the internet. Don't wait till the last minute, okay? If you email me too late, I can't get back to you. I'm not going to accept it, okay? All right, what else I want to remind you of? You'll see all this stuff in the syllabus. I don't take late work. If something does come up, death in the family, you're so sick, you're in the hospital. If something does come up, you need to communicate with me ASAP. If I don't hear from you, a couple days pass, I don't hear from you, oh, I was sick, I didn't hear from you. So if something comes up, email me as quickly as you can, and I may be able to work with you, all right? Okay, other tips for success. Check your email regularly. That's how I communicate with you. Check your Hudson Valley email account. Check Brightspace. I post announcements. If something comes up, I will email you and post it on Brightspace, okay? If you get an email from me, if I send a group email through Brightspace, if you hit reply, it won't go to me. It's this glitch with Brightspace, I'm sorry to say. So double check whenever you email me that you email me at my email address. Don't just hit reply to a group message that I send out. If you do that, you're going to see the address line says to SUNY ID 5672. Always make sure when you're emailing me that it's to my actual email address, c.jenkins@hvcc.edu. Last couple things. In addition to weekly assignments, we're going to have a midterm exam and a final exam all online. There's going to be a diet analysis assignment. More information for that to come. You can get a textbook. It's not required. Most students like to see how things go for the first week. Most of the information that you need, I give to you in the videos. And then if you have further questions, there is a link to a free online textbook in the syllabus. Stay on top of things. If you have questions, ask. I can't help you unless you email me and ask for help, okay? Last thing, the assignments must be completed by you. I'm not interested, I don't allow, I consider it plagiarism, any use of artificial intelligence, AI, ChatGPT, don't use it. I can tell right away. So when you're doing your critical thinking assignments, it's got to be in your words, okay? All right, it's going to be a fun semester. If you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to working with you all.